Human Resources and Legal Affairs at the Boston Fire Department.
Thank you. Yes, that was a mouthful, my title. But I am so thrilled to be here today to celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival with all of you. I actually was a paddler racing on some teams in my youth, in the not too distant past. I was also a drummer and I also coached from Dragon teams. And there is no better sport in the world that could develop camaraderie and a lot of friendships and teamwork. What I always say that for Dragon Boat, you are only as strong as your weakest link, but if you all work together, we can achieve a lot of great things, both personally, individually, professionally, and for this country. Now, when I was asked to say a few words, one of the organizers, Madeline, says, Connie, you have to say something in Chinese. And I'm like, oh dear, I'm gonna butcher it. But if you will indulge me, I'll do my best. And I'll say a few words in the next minute in Cantonese Chinese. 大家好，我係波士頓消防局副局長黃瑞如，好高興同榮幸可以喺今日嚟到查理河咧，就同你哋慶祝端午節同龍舟節。大家都知道端午節咧就係農曆5月初5，亦都係中國4大傳統節日之一。喺嗰一日咧，我哋就個個就會食粽，亦都會爬龍船。咁就係去紀念中國嘅愛國之神屈原。其實爬龍船咧已經喺中國咧就有2000多年嘅歷史，但係波士頓咧1979年先至舉行第一個龍舟比賽。1979年到目前咧，呢個龍舟運動同龍舟文化咧已經發展到全美國、全球啲大城市，係值得我哋華人高興同驕傲嘅。我唔會再多講啦，就願龍舟為大家帶來健康快樂、吉祥如意。多謝各位。